Hello, I welcome to UPSC Prelims Chaturya series of SHANTHA LAKSHMI IAS Academy, where we will discuss the daily prelims MCQs from the Hindu, Indian Express and PIB. Let's get started. The first question. Consider the following statements with respect to the national monetization pipeline. It is based on the principle of asset creation through monetization. NMP is intended to support investments under the National Infrastructure Pipeline. The projects which are modified or upgraded are called greenfield projects. How many of the statement given above are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none of the above. This was in news recently. NMP has monetized rupees 3.85 lakh crore of assets in 3 years. About this, aim to unlock value in brownfield projects by engaging the private sector. Announced in Union Budget 2021 to 2022 for monetization of assets worth an estimated rupees 6 lakh crore. Aims for transferring to them revenue rights and not ownership in the projects and using the funds generated for infrastructure creation across the country. The NMP will run co-terminus with the National Infrastructure Pipeline announced in December 2019. NIP includes economic and social infrastructure projects. Monetization, government transferring revenue rights to private parties for a specified transaction period in return for upfront money, a revenue share, and commitment of investments in the assets. Real estate investment trust and infrastructure investment trust are the key structures used to monetize assets in the roads and power sectors. These are also listed on stock exchanges, providing investors liquidity through secondary markets as well. Other monetization models on PPP, that is nothing but public-private partnership basis, that were operate, maintain, transfer, toll, operate, transfer, operations, maintenance and development, greenfield and brownfield investment. Greenfield project, investment in a manufacturing, office or other physical company related structure or group of structures in an area where no previous facilities exist. Brownfield investment, the projects which are modified or upgraded are called brownfield projects. So the answer is only 2 because the projects which are modified or upgraded are called brownfield projects and not greenfield projects. Moving to the next question. With reference to the diatoms, consider the following statements. These are microscopic algae and serve as a base of the aquatic food chain. They are found in almost every aquatic environment, including fresh and marine waters. Which of the statement given above is are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one or two. Researchers have discovered a new genus of the gomphonemoid diatom found in the clean water river of the Eastern Ghats, and it has been named Indiconema to value its restricted distribution in the country. About diatoms, these are photosynthetic single-celled organisms. These are microscopic algae and serve as the base of the aquatic food chain. Due to their sensitivity towards any water chemistry changes, they are excellent indicators of aquatic health. They are a major group of algae and form one of the most common forms of phytoplankton habitat. They are found in almost every aquatic environment, including fresh and marine waters. Diatoms have cell walls made of silica. Each species have a distinct pattern of tiny holes in the cell wall through which they absorb nutrients and get rid of waste. Collectively, they are responsible for generating up to 50% of the oxygen produced globally each year. Key facts about Indiconema. It differs in having a pore field at both the head and foot pole rather than having only at the foot pole. Researchers reported one species of Indiconema from Eastern Ghats and another from the Western Ghats. A similar pattern of sharing endemic elements between two mountain systems has been observed for other endemic rich groups such as reptiles. Based on the morphological features of this group, the researchers have suggested that Indiconema is sister to Africocymbella, a genus endemic to East Africa. So the answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. Moving to the next question. Consider the following statements with respect to the Blue Planet Prize. The Blue Planet Prize is awarded by Japanese Asahi Glass Foundation. It aims to recognize outstanding achievements in scientific research and its application, which have helped to provide solution to global environment problems. It is awarded annually to the individuals only. How many of the statement given above are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none of the above. Recently, IPBES, that is nothing but Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services, was awarded the Blue Planet Prize 2024 for its contribution in the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity. The Blue Planet Prize is awarded by Japanese Asahi Glass Foundation. It is awarded annually to the individuals and the organizations. It aims to recognize outstanding achievements in scientific research and its application, which have helped to provide solution to global environmental problems. IPBES has been awarded as it is the leading global authority on the state of knowledge and science about biodiversity, ecosystem services, and nature's contributions to people. The work of IPBES is central to the international efforts and negotiations under a range of multilateral processes and organizations. Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services. It aims to help conserve biodiversity, promote sustainable use of natural resources, and support long-term human well-being and sustainable development. It was established on April 21st, 2012 in Panama City by 94 governments. IPBES is not a part of the United Nations, but it works closely with UN bodies. The UNEP provides administrative support to IPBES as requested by IPBES members and approved by UNEP's Governing Council in 2013. IPBES serves as a bridge between scientific studying biodiversity and ecosystem services and policymakers who make decisions affecting these areas. So the answer is 1 because it is awarded annually to the individuals and organizations, not only individuals. Moving to the next question. Choose correct one with respect to the Mudgal port. It is located in the state of Maharashtra. The port gained prominence during the Bahmani Sultans. Which of the statement given above are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one or two. The Mudgal fort, which stands as a testament to the rich historical and cultural tapestry of Karnataka and India, offering a glimpse into the regions passed through its enduring architectural, cultural, and historical significance. About this fort, it is located in the state of Karnataka. The fort has a 1,000-year history, having connections to various dynasties, including Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Deccan Sultanates, and Vijayanagara Empire. The fort gained prominence during the Bahmani Sultans, who ruled large areas of the Deccan Plateau from Gulbarga. It later went to the hands of Vijayanagara Empire after the Sultanates broken into 5 states that were Nizam Shahi of Ahmednagar, Qutub Shahis of Golconda, Barid Shahis of Bidar, Imad Shahis of Berar, Adil Shahis of Bijapur. The fort was a major cause of clashes between the Vijayanagara Empire and the Adil Shahi Sultanates. Strategic location standing on the border of the Adil Shahi and Vijayanagara empires, the Mudgal port witnessed as many as 11 battles between the 14th and 16th centuries. The Bijapur and the Vijayanagara viewed it as a symbol of power and pride because of its strategic location to control the large Raichur Doab, the land between Tungabhadra on the south and Krishna on the north. Raichur, though between Krishna and Tungabhadra river, is fertile land for agriculture. It has also had a rich mineral resources including gold. Inscriptions. Historians and researchers have so far studied as many as 99 inscription attached on the fort walls and monuments in Kannada, Sanskrit, Telugu, Persian, Arabic and Gujarati languages. Architectural style. The mixed architectural styles of the monuments and traditions followed by the people living inside. Inside the fort, there is a Ranganatha Swami temple and Hussain Alam Dargah stand side by side, sharing a common wall and the compound. The fort has several gates, each with intricate carvings and strategic placements for defense. The main entrance on the north side of the fort, which is called Fateh Darwaja. So the answer is 2 only because it is located in the state of Karnataka, not Maharashtra. Moving to the next question. Which airport recently became the first in the country to introduce a self-service baggage drop system? Option A, Sardar Vallabhai Patel International Airport. Option B, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Option C, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Option D, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport Limited launches a self-service baggage drop system on June 17th. About 50 units are installed across terminals 1 and 3, available for Air India, Indigo, and Air India Express passengers. The system allows passengers to print tags at kiosks, place bags on the conveyor belt, and complete check-in quickly. It checks airline criteria and dangerous goods declarations internally for seamless experience. So the answer is option D, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Thank you. This is the today's session.